This is how I get my puppy, who is now 3 months old, to slow down when she eats her food. I put it onto a baking sheet, spread it around as much as I can, and this way she has to slow down because the food's not concentrated in one area. Okay, Gally, chow time! Chow time! That's the command we use. Chow time! Mm-hmm. And then the eating time has slowed down. Now it takes her almost it takes her more than twice as long now to eat all of her food because it's spread around this cookie sheet, and she can't just sit there in one spot and inhale it. This may seem like a really simple approach and common sense, but a lot of people do not consider this, and it's not healthy for your dog to just devour their food without chewing it. Okay, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and until next time, if you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. Definitely appreciate the support.